All right, so in this video, I got a bunch of random pickups here, a lot of gifts sent over as well. And so I wanted to just show you guys kind of a haul of a bunch of crazy things here. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. What is going on, guys? Hes here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys haven't shopped on my website yet, go ahead and check the link in the description. I basically just curate a bunch of sneaker deals for you guys through the week. They have a ton of deals out right now, and there's going to be a lot more coming up, obviously Black Friday, and a lot of celebrations of early Black Friday. So check the link and then go over there and see, because I'm going to be posting pretty much daily deals over there. Right now, Adidas has a 30% off coupon that is new, so check that one out if you haven't seen. Got a bunch of stuff here though, and I don't even know where to begin. I guess we'll start off right here. I mean, I already showed you guys this one in the previous video, but just wanted to pull it back out here to show you guys that these happened. I'm so stoked about the Turdunkens, and it's a really dope collab, really insane box and stuff that this one came in. So if you guys missed that video, go check it out. I mean, these things look really good, and I put them on feed and wore them in leaves already going to the mailbox. I just had to put them on, man. They look so fun. And just concepts killed it, man. The theme of that one is just super good. All right, so we'll start off like literally right in front of me, and I got a bunch of Pokemon packages. I know some of you guys are like, what the heck? I know, kind of out of form for myself. There's a lot of people that have been on the Pokemon wave, and I jumped on just for fun. It's kind of fun just opening packages, and since I haven't been able to go to Vegas and gamble, I guess this is that form of gambling. But basically, they have a bunch of different types of Vivid Voltage and Champion's Path that I got. And so I'm going to be opening some of these just in my spare time, just so I could try to get Pikachus. I mean, why not get Pikachus if I can? And also, I'm going to be chasing the Chars in this one here. So there's a whole bunch of them. I just wanted to show you. I was going to leave them out of the video, but I was like, yeah, you might as well see it. Like, I bought a bunch of these smaller packs, and they restock all the time on like Target and Walmart and stuff. So anytime they do, I swoop in and I grab a couple of them. But this one is like $50 at Target, and I got them for like $38 though, with red card and stuff. But shout out to Franelations, because actually I follow his Discord. I don't really know much about Discord. I'm just starting to like check it out and just explore. And so I follow his Discord, and shout out to his dudes that post the links to be able to buy some of these, because they post them and sometimes I catch them and buy. So that's why I have any of these, because normally I go into Target and they're all gone, and now I've been able to buy a couple different sets, and I've opened a couple of these each as well already. Just I posted some pictures on Twitter and like Instagram stories of it. Nothing exciting. I haven't got anything awesome yet, but just wanted to show you guys. I've been kind of on that wave a little bit. I'm trying to get my son into it. He knows Pikachu now, so I'm trying to get him the next generation in. And I also posted this on Twitter the other day too. I was trying to find the Murakami Perrier collaboration, and I went over to like my local store, like my Fred Meyer, and they actually had some there. I went to a Target as well, and they didn't have any. It's just a fun collaboration though. I love the Murakami flowers and stuff, and so I got a 6-pack of that. It's like $6 for these, and I was like, yeah, why not? So I'll have some of these just sitting around. I have some in my whiskey cabinet downstairs as well, just for fun. So moving on to something you can't even see. It's sitting behind all these boxes, but this is a Cactus, and the Cactus is made cool because it has this bad boy in it. Shout out to my buddy Aaron. His friend actually works on these in Portland, and made these little crazy concrete Air Force One planters. It's super dope, really heavy duty, and obviously, I mean, it's concrete, but it says it's a mini Air Force One concrete planter, and Avant Creations is the ones that that made these. So shout out to them. I'll try to link them in the description of this video if you guys want to go check them out. I believe they have some candles as well in the baby Air Force One molds, and I think they're going to be doing some holiday releases, so definitely worth checking it out. But yeah, check it out, man. It's like a little Air Force One planter, and then they also provided me with the little Cactus here. I just want to watch myself and be careful. But you could see, obviously, this would be like a little cactus planter that can sit in my sneaker room. So it kind of adds a little bit of fun, a little bit of flair to the sneaker game. And what a cool way to just create a product of your own. So my buddy Aaron mentioned that the Avant Creations, the founder of this, was actually somebody that worked at Nike, and he also was on the team that helped create like Tech Fleece, which obviously I'm a huge fan. I've been a big fan for years, since the very first generation Tech Fleece. So pretty cool that they ended up just coming out and making their own little creations like this. So definitely awesome little planter here. I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I guess I'll put it right here. Hopefully I won't get it knocked over. Moving right along, we got an Adidas box. Didn't recognize this box. Don't know who sent it. And it is called Forum 84 Low. So haven't ever seen this one before. But dude, pretty rad. It says Adidas Originals Forum OG 84. Adidas debuted a new icon Forum basketball shoe. Game-changing innovations, on-court performance, along with the unheard of $100 price tag. The Forum instantly became a sought-after silhouette for top professionals. In 2020, with a nod to its deep roots in sports performance, Adidas reissues the Forum as the champion of the streets and a vehicle of self-expression. Shout out to Adidas Originals for sending over this pair. It's a really cool-looking pair of sneakers, actually. This would be like the downtown version, I guess, of like an Air Force One almost. It even has a strap across the top of the low top, which obviously Air Force One only has the high straps. Not a bad looking shoe, and I like this colorway as well. So thanks to Adidas Originals again for sending that over. I mean, I feel like a spoiled little brat right now because there's so many gifts here. There's like 3 more that I got to show you guys. This one is a random one that I got. It says confetti party on the top. Dopeness. So Sparkling Ice actually sent over another gift package. They send me some stuff here and there, which I always appreciate. My family actually just devours Sparkling Ice all the time. If you don't know what it is, it's this stuff right here. And this is a different flavor. This is Cranberry Frost. I haven't heard of this one before, so pretty awesome. And this is like the only drink that my kid gets that's like a fizzy drink. This and Talking Rain, we call these like fizzy drinks. That's what he calls them. But there's also like a little ornament here. It comes with a glass even, a naughty and nice glass. My wife will like that one. The Funky Cold Company. It's a sugar cookie, obviously with a really, really dope little penguin on it. It even comes with a little white wine and a bottle opener. So all things welcome in this house. Thank you to Sparkling Ice for sending over a care package, dude. You guys are awesome. I'm going to post this on Twitter and Instagram as well since they sent it over. But this is another just a random fun care package that I got sent over. The next up, I got a t-shirt from the buddy Sneak Prints, and he has a company called A United World. And this is like the logo on it right there. It's kind of like an ice cream vibe there on the t-shirt, but this is the package that I was actually really interested in seeing. So it says thank you for being united. I actually posted this when they were releasing these originally, and this is the finished product as you can see here. So it looks like an Air Force One, and there was a lot of comments in the positive and negative on these. Like the concept was pretty cool. Some people thought it was a little bit played out, and other people thought it was a ripoff of the Air Force Ones. And obviously that's a hot topic in this day and age, especially with the War and Lotus stuff going on. But regardless of that, this is what he created, and I like the look of it. I think it looks really cool. There's a little heart swoosh on the side, and there's pretty good branding all over the shoe as well. The handshake here, also here. It looks like it's de-embossed on the shoe, which is kind of cool. And it's embroidered in 2 sections on the back of the shoe. The branding is definitely nice on the shoe, and it's one of those shoes that can definitely spark some conversation. But they have some new colorways of the sneaker that are coming to you guys as well. If you guys want to check them out, I'll link them in the description also. All right, so moving right along, we have this box right here, and it is called the Air Max 3. Maybe it rings a bell, maybe it doesn't. If I show you the shoe, though, it probably will, because we have this guy right here. So there's been a lot of confusion about this. Maybe I'm the only one that's noticed it as confusing. Other people chime in the comment section if you thought this release was confusing as well. But this is the infrared Air Max 90, but they rebranded it as the Air Max 3. They did this to give nod to the original because they were originally called the Air Max 3, I believe. And the colorway is not actually on the box. It is infrared, as you could see, but it's labeled as radiant red, I believe, which is actually the original colorway that the Air Max 90 came in. It wasn't infrared. That was a coin term that came on later. But I'll have a full review of these if you guys want to see it in a comparison to the orange pair as well as the old Air Max 90 infrared retro. But I'm stoked that I was able to get these so easily. I got them off of Sneakers, I think. And I actually just hit on a restock of these as well to get a double up on a post that I did on Collective Kicks. If you guys got them, drop a comment in the comment section. And the Air Max 90 has been the most purchased shoe for myself, at least in 2020 so far. This might be the last Air Max 90 I get this year, but if it is, I ended on a high note because it's like the original joint right here. So that was the next one I got. I also got a new iPhone, for those that didn't know. I got the iPhone 12 Max Pro or whatever. I don't honestly think it was worth it. I think I should have just kept my 10 because the 10 was just as good as this one, I think. But the camera quality isn't that much better on here from what I've noticed. Maybe I'm just not using it right. Those that didn't know, I thought you had to have that crazy mag charger or whatever on the back of the magnet. Instead, you just use the regular charger on the bottom. So I bought the new chargers, and of course they took 2 weeks later to get it. I haven't even got them yet. So I've been using the regular charger. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys I got that. Another random pickup. I don't know if this is a W or an L. Depends on who you talk to, I imagine. But I think it's a good conversation point and a video that I will be doing as well pretty soon here, which is the Air Jordan 1 Bread mid-top And this one dropped on Nike, and I posted this one as well for those that saw it. It was exclusive access only, and again, it was a Nike account, not sneakers. But I was like, you know, I haven't had a mid-top in a while, and I know that they've been selling out, and so I figured I'd get a pair and just see how they are in hand. Quality is definitely doo-doo. I mean, it's $110, $115 price point. You definitely feel like this is a more generic pair than, say, the Air Jordan 1 highs, because that extra 65 bucks or whatever it is for the retros. But the colorway is good. I mean, obviously, it's a bright colorway. But if you guys want to see a detailed review of these, drop a comment in the comment section, and I'll compare these to the breads that I have in the back wall. It's one of those shoes that I would buy since the colorway was in stock. Since I have the breads, I don't need them, but I wanted to be able to compare them at least for you guys and see how the quality was in hand. The next one, this is actually the pickup that I got from StockX. Finally showed up, and I've been talking about them for a while. This is actually the receipts. Look at that. There's a new little card in it. This is an official, legit pair from StockX. I've unboxed a high-quality fake pair of these, and then this is the real pair. I also had a real pair that I gifted to my cousin. They were the wrong size, so I was like, oh man, I'll just sell them, and then I'll get my own size. Bought my own size, and then I ended up just giving them to him since it was his 18th birthday. So I was like, you know what? It's that time, so let's make it happen. I love this colorway, man. The dark mocha colorway is so good. And it was one of those ones when I first saw the images, I was like, yep, I got to get that shoe. And as you can see, I do like my brown Jordans. I got the Travis Scott 1s, the Biohacks, the lows, and then also Mocha 3s, and then even the Cinder 14s. You can see I definitely like brown Jordans, and so this one was a good one to add to the collection. I just really think this is going to be one of those ones. It will probably go up in value if you care about that, but ultimately this is going to be a good one to just wear. So really stoked I got a pair of these, and I paid $360 on StockX. Man, that it stings when I got them at retail. If it wasn't meant to be, it wasn't meant to be, and I re-gifted them, like I said. So this is new packaging from Nike. Maybe the holidays are going to be a little bit safer because they don't have the Nike tape on them. I like that they're changing it up a little bit here. Another Nike box here. This one came. I saw this one drop, and I was like, darn it, I gotta buy another one of these. I have the last retro, but the Nike Air more up-tempo. In the original colorway, I mean, it's so good. How can you... I couldn't not get this, if you will. I definitely didn't need it. I have the other pair, so this is the old retro, this is the new one. I will say I did get a size 10 back in the day, and they were too big, so this is a 9.5, and it will actually fit me much better, which will make me want to wear them more often because I got the proper size. It's funny how that works. If you get the right size, it actually makes it so you want to put it on feet more. Drop a like on the video if you totally get what I'm talking about. I mean, there's some shoes that I would put in rotation much more often if they just fit better. So yeah, anyway, this is a strategic move to make these more wearable for myself, and I absolutely love this shoe. They have kind of butchered it. They've made so many different weird colorways of this shoe that just don't make any sense, but this one makes sense to me, so how to pick it up. If you guys made it all the way to the end of the video, I appreciate you guys. I'll give you a virtual high five. Virtual double high five as I make my Harrison do. Anyway, so this one, big shout out to Bait. Bait actually sent me a huge care package. I didn't want to open it last, but just logistically I had to because it's the largest box ever. But they reached out on Instagram and said, hey man, we want to send you a care package. I was like, dude, that's amazing. I wear a lot of Bait t-shirts just in general. I probably have like 20 of them in my closet. And so I think that they just wanted to send me some stuff. I was like, dude, you guys are rad for wanting to do that. So they didn't just send some stuff, though. They sent a mountain of stuff. And I don't even know where to begin with this. It's ridiculous. Shout out to Bait and the Bait team and everybody that was involved in sending me this care package over. I mean, this is just nuts. So they sent so many things. It's crazy. But if you haven't shopped on Bait's site, it's definitely one that I like. There is a hat. I actually have a red hat already like that. This one will go right here. So there's a whole bunch of t-shirts and hoodies and stuff like that in here. This one's an Infinity Gauntlet one. I actually remember seeing this one in store. It was one that I thought about picking up, and I didn't actually end up pulling the trigger, but super dope one. Check the back out. Here you have Thanos on the back. Super awesome there. So there's a Peanuts t-shirt right here. Actually, I already have this one. I'm going to leave it packaged because I'm going to probably end up re-gifting this to some friends. But this is the Thor one. I wear this one all the time. And then if you saw it in one of my previous hauls, I actually have this Spider-Man already. Both of those ones I have, which are awesome. So this is another Bait hoodie with a little simple logo right there in the middle. And then there's a Bait Marvel tee right here with a simple Marvel logo. This one's dope. So this is a Carnage tee. Check that out. Super rad. Might scare my daughter a little bit on that one, but I wear for my videos when she's not here anyway. And then we also have another bait tee right here. Then we have this one too. This is a Ball is Life bait t-shirt with peanuts. And then you could see on the back right here too. So this peanuts one is really good. It has that bait all-star league going on in the back right there too with the peanuts gang. But dude, thank you to Bait, man, for the grand finale of the video. Look at all this clothes. It's insane. So I have a lot more t-shirts to wear now that they sent me so many new ones. So I'll be wearing these in a lot of the videos in the future. You guys will see, I'm sure. But I know I say a lot. I'm sure everybody says a lot. But I do appreciate you guys for watching the video. And I appreciate everybody that took the time and initiative to just send me something. Like, it's cool that some of these companies reach out to me. And when I see their messages and stuff and they actually come through, it's just a magical feeling. So I really appreciate to see stuff like that happen. Shout out to my buddy Aaron and his friend for the plant and the Air Force One planner and Sparkling Ice, Adidas, Sneak Prints, Bait. You guys are all rad. Appreciate you guys. And thank you again to the viewers out there that are watching. You guys are the most important. So thank you guys. But have a good rest of the day. Have a good holiday. Check Collective Kicks again for sneaker deals that are coming up, because there's going to be a lot of them, I'm sure. And hopefully I'll have more videos for you guys soon. I'm super backlogged, as you can see. All this kind of piled up because I haven't had any time to record any videos, because my day job is super busy this time of year. So hopefully you guys appreciate the videos that I'm able to put out. If you guys do, drop a like. It means a lot to me if you guys do. But have a good one. Hopefully we'll see you guys back for some more videos. Peace, guys.